what's good? I want to talk about the Victornox Spirit X, a gentleman's multi-tool. Take a look at the sheath. Now this, there's all types of reviews on this thing. It's been around for a long time. So, this boat loop, I've been carrying this. I haven't been using it, but just carrying it, and it's a dream to carry. It's not even there. Slim. Some heavy duty Velcro. It's real nice. Real nice. Alright, all these tools, man. I ain't even gonna sit here and try to explain all the tools to you. There's a lot going on here. Between chisels and crate opener, knives, awls, hooks, metal files, wood files. It's like 3 different sides. The edge here. Long Phillips head screwdriver, scissors, can opener, bottle openers, flathead screwdrivers, pliers, wire cutters. It's just a beautiful, beautiful tool. Feels amazing in the hand. Everything is smooth and just absolutely well done. There's your lock mechanism. Everything is just it's just amazing. In the hand, it just feels very good. All tools are on the outside. All the nail nicks are easy to lock up is nasty. No back and forth, no side to side. Very well built. Smooth in and out. Every single tool is just easy to grab with your nail. Is that all? Sun's probably not helping this video. Do some cutting, some hardwood. Now this blade's gonna be nasty. Very comfortable in hand. Oh yeah, the blade is good shot. Very controllable, very comfortable in the hand. You know, I'm just gonna highlight the main tools. Just the saw, hardwood. Pretty damn smooth cut. I'll highlight the awl. With a hook on it. Got a nice point on it. Can't even see through her shit though. You see what I went through? Oh, my back. I got this rusty old chain out here. Here's the file. File works. Scissors. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I never had a fail from Victornox scissors. Guys, what? Ah. They need to be sharpened, I guess, man. Look at that. I've never seen that. Of course, Reaper gets the first ones ever. Ain't that some shit? Much respect, much appreciation. Knowledge is power, practice makes progress. This is an expensive tool. Brand new, it's $104. Plus shipping and all that. Is it worth it? To the person who likes multi-tools, and this will last forever. No doubt about it. It'll last forever. Used properly, every tool, no doubt. I got this from my brother Zeb. He needed some money. He's selling his tools. I jumped on it. $90. Colorado Bushcraft, high quality gear. Common man prices. Beautiful. All right. Everybody take it easy.